Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about this simple little gadget here that makes your solar panels so much more efficient. Okay, and I'll show you how it actually works. Okay, as you can see, I've got my solar panel set up. You know, it's pumping in 0.5 amps and I'm 68%. Okay, with this thing here, little dial, a sundial. Okay, with this thing here, little dial, a sundial. So as you can see, I've put my little sundial on there, little dot in the center, and you'll see the dot to the right of it, okay, which means it's not really that efficient at the moment, okay. So now we'll just move the solar panel around until we get, so as you can see the dot's moved a little bit, not quite good enough yet. So what we'll do, we'll move the solar panel again. You can see now it's bumped up to a 9.2 amps. So currently I've still got my fridge going, everything going, but just adjusting that. I'll show you the sundial now where it sits and where it all goes. So as you can see, the shadow, the round shadow in the center is just center off. You want to try and get that ideally in the middle, and that'll give you the most efficient your solar panels. Okay.